Everybody, I'm Rhonda Love with Grand Manor Magazine, and finally I can get this video done. As you know, all during the morning, early morning, I've been doing little clips and snippets and trying to get my video together, and I think finally at last, yay, I've done it. I'm so sorry. I think I'm giddy because I didn't really get much sleep last night. But I'm very thrilled. I'm finally here in front of you and you can see me really well. Anywho, what I was sharing with you guys about is I wanted to make a grand announcement. We are having a premiere of our Mad Hatters. This is a Mad Hatters tea and shopping event, and we're having it on this coming Saturday at 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock p.m. And I'm hoping that you guys will be there.